Hello friend, here is Subham Verma and today I have came in front of you to discuss about Indus Valley Civilization. First of all, Indus Valley Civilization, the time period of Indus Valley Civilization was 2500 BC to 1750 BC. See, Indus Valley Civilization have different nomenclature. They are first Indus Valley Civilization, Sindhu Gagar Civilization, Harappan Civilization, Proto-Historic Civilization, Bronze Age Civilization, where they found tin, copper plus tin, and it is also known as Kasa. Okay, then it is Peaceful Civilization. I have said that Harappan Civilization. Next, there is also Urban Civilization, and the Urban Civilization, this name is given by V.G. Child. Next, talking about Indus Valley Civilization, who gave the introduction of Indus Valley Civilization. The introduction of Indus Valley Civilization was given by Charles Mason in 1826. Then come to civil engineer, name first one is William Button, and second one is James Button. What they did is the railway network was seen there between Lahore and Karachi, where the railway network was the work was going on, and they both found that the bricks is of different types, means they have the different structure. So they are the first who seen the different bricks in Pakistan, where Lahore and Karachi was situated in Pakistan. Next, coming to Sir John Marshall, who appointed two Indians. Yeah, first one is Dayaram Sahni and second one is Rakhaldas Banerjee. See, Dayaram Sahni means he has founded the Harappan site in 1921 near the Ravi River in Pakistan. And Rakhaldas Banerjee in 1922 founded Mohenjo-daro near Sindhu River in Pakistan itself. Next, coming to the structure, I could say that the map means the distance between east to west is 1600 kilometer, which is maximum, and north to south, which is 1100 kilometer. Now let's talk about the profession of society in Indus Valley Civilization, or we can say that based on profession. So there were four categories, namely first one is warrior, second one is trader, third one is artisans, and fourth one is scholars, in which we say scholar means Vidwan. Next, coming to Prajati, the types of people there. Types of means religion. So first one is Mediterranean, then Alpine, then Proto-Asteroid, and the fourth one is Mongoloid. There were vegetarian and non-vegetarian both. Woolen and cotton cloth was there, and cotton was first founded or produced, not founded, produced by Indus Valley Civilization, and cotton was also known as Sindan near the Sindhu River. Now let's talk about the town planning of Indus Valley Civilization. There were categorized by two subgroup, means first one is rich people and second one is poor people. Rich people is situated up, means you can say that upper cities are situated in upper side, and lower cities means the poor people are situated in downward side in Indus Valley Civilization. But there are two exceptions. First one is Dholavira, which is situated in Gujarat, and there are means three community of people: upper cities, medium cities, and third one is lower cities, and it is also known for the 40th site. The second one is Kalibanga. Kalibanga is in Rajasthan, and first time it is means Black Bengal is found in Kalibanga itself, and it has upper cities and lower cities also profligated in Kalibanga. Now let's talk about the town planning of IVC. As I have said, the town planning was very good and it was prominent. Road bisect at 90 degree. There was covered drainage system was there facility. Doors are not opened in front of road because it might kick over any person. So to avoid any accident, the door are not made in front of road, but One amazing fact I would like to say that the Lothal, which is known as dockyard or oldest port, which is situated in front of road. The reason is the transportation, these all things is carried out beside, means it is at the, means any goods are taken out by the manufactured just beside the roads. So by by taking the help of animals, it can be carried out in, and it can be put in a particular place. Also I want to say that there was granary, big granary, where the anaj can be stored there. Now let's talk about script and religion. There in Indus Valley civilization, the people wrote from right to left. The second thing is the people are more interested in U shape and fish shape. Okay, and there are pictographic root of IBC was 64 there. Also there was people who worship mother goddess, that is female deity. Male god was Pasupati Nath, which is devoted to Shiva, also known as Shiva, means prototype of Shiva. There was witchcraft, means in Hindi we say that Jadu Tona. Nature lover, dog, Pavitra Pakshi, we say matriarchal society, where the women supremacy is there in the Indus Valley civilization. There was terracotta, there found terracotta. Terracotta उसे बोलते हैं जहाँ पे मिट्टी जो होती है उसे आग में डाल के और पका देना, उस पर कोई भी मतलब कि any artisans made their pictures of anything, so that is terracotta. And there was a barter system. We know that barter system means exchange of good was there. And seals means moher. There were found seals of sterolite, and also after the this was the all about Indus Valley civilization. Now let's talk about the decline of Indus Valley civilization. Many scholars have come and put their thought about the decline of Indus Valley civilization. The first one is invasion of Aryans, means incoming of Aryans. So this thought was put by Wheeler and Gordon Child. The second one is climate change. This was put by Aaron Stein and Amelon Ghosh. The third one is epidemic. This was put by K.U.R. Kennedy. This was all about Indus Valley civilization in short. If you like this, if you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and do comment on this video. And if I have made any mistake or I would have left something untouched, so try to rectify it or try to add it. I would feel better on it. Thank you. Have a nice day.